The Terribles at the corner of Craig Road and I believe this is Camino Norte or MLK Boulevard. And I will show you my receipt and the time that I started. I am at 2.8 gallons. I have paid for $35. Apparently, Terrible Herbst does not think that there is a problem with their gas pumps. I will be sending this to corporate. I am on pump 11. And this is where I am now. I am at $9 and 3 gallons. I have paid for $35. This is insane. I have the lever at full capacity. I was holding it and it was taking entirely too long. Cars are coming, cars are leaving. I'm gonna see what time. There are other cars that are pulled up and that are pulling off. I'm gonna see if that person pumps their gas and gets out of here before I'm done. I am now at $13. I was told by the clerk if I stop pumping the gas, I lose my points. Well, what was to be the purpose of me coming here if I could not use my points? We are now going on 3 minutes. Wow, I have never, ever I have no idea how long it takes me to pump gas, but I have never pumped gas for 5 minutes. Not $35 worth. No. First of all, I started the recording after I had gone in to ask why was it going so slow. I cleaned my windows and it had only gotten to 1 gallon. Totally unacceptable. These are the cars that have come and they're leaving. We'll see if that car over there leaves. So I would assume it's either pump 1 on the other side of 2. I am now at $20 or $21. This is insane, guys. I'm almost 6 minutes. Really? This person is now leaving. We are going to see how much gas they got once mine finally gets to the end. 6:47. That person is leaving. Comes another person up to get gas. We'll see if that person gets their gas and they're gone before I hit $35. I am now at $25. And it is 7 minutes, 12 seconds. That gentleman is now leaving. There is now a red car and a white car. We'll see if they're both still here. Just moved to the area. This is my first time coming to Terrible's. It was across the street from where I was going to go shop. So I thought I'd stop. Don't think I'll be stopping here again. I'm like at $8.19 and it is $28. I have never, ever been anywhere almost 10 minutes to pump gas. This is crazy. If they leave, I'm really. This is insane. Guys, get somebody out here to check this pump. Seriously. Oh my goodness. He is now leaving. The lady that was pumping her gas. I'm at 31. Wow. I gotta say I've been here well over 15 minutes because I have my receipt, paid for my gas, walked in after it hit 1 gallon, and was told that there's nothing wrong with the pump. The lady that has gotten her gas is now gone. Wow. 10:28. I am now at $33. Oh, I really gotta get a receipt at the time that I left. This is crazy. Final time. Wow.